Hello guys, welcome back to my how-to channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build the end portal in Minecraft. So what you're going to want to do is, you're going to want to launch this in a creative mode, or you can launch it in survival, but you have to switch your game mode over to creative because the only way to build an end portal yourself is in creative mode. So make sure you do that. And as we load in, okay, so what we're going to want to do is, first you're going to type in, and here we have the end portal frame. So you're going to drag that. And you also need the Eye of Ender. These are the only two things that you need in order to create the end portal, which is pretty nice. Keeps it pretty simple. And what you're going to do is place the block, and we know this is correct because there are three little rectangles that are facing us with two little squares on either side. It's important that when we're placing these blocks down, that we are not placing it on the side like this, because it will turn the block in the wrong direction. We want to stay facing forward and aim at the ground. So you're going to place 3 blocks, and then you're going to turn and you're going to place 3 more blocks, and you're just going to do this until it's fully enclosed. It's way easier to build this around yourself than it is to try to run around and make sure all the blocks are facing the same way. A common mistake people make are by doing this. As you can see, these are not facing the same way, so they're not going to work. Everything has to face the same way, and we're going to jump out of the middle, and instead we're going to run around like I just showed you. But that's that. We can place the eyes in the portal frames. We jump out because if you are in the center, when you place the last eye, you will automatically teleport to the end. And if you're not ready for that, don't do it. So right click and fill all the eyes. You want to make sure that all of them are vertical. So an example of this is this right now is the correct way. This is vertical. You can tell because the lines on either side are parallel to each other vertically, and on the right this one is horizontal. You can tell because the green line is on the top and the bottom, and that's not what we want. That's how you know it's facing the wrong way. So again, let's just keep placing all the eyes. Just right click, and here we go. Now we have the end portal, and all we're going to do is jumping through, and it says joining world. The terrain is loaded and we have spawned. The portal has worked, and now you can defeat the end dragon who is flying all around right over here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So if this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how-to channel.